Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids, looking at the latest battle box. I believe this is mission number 56. And the box is pretty big actually. I just measured it. It is about 25 by 11 and a half. So yeah, let's see what's inside. All right, so as you can see, this is definitely filled with gear. Again, there's no missions as far as themes anymore, but there's still mission numbers. So in mission number 56, like I mentioned before. And here's the rundown of all the different gear. So let's work our way through it. Number one, we have the Hellfire Bushcraft stainless steel grill set. This would be the grill set. Let's take a look inside. All right, so here is your, looks like a kind of a wax canvas container. It says Hellfire Bushcraft grill on the front there. And then you get these two inside here. Let me grab my tape measure. These guys are going to measure 11 by 6, and you do get two of them. So the idea is, I mean, it's super slim. Throw these into your bushcraft kit, and now when you're out, you know, doing something in the woods, and you want to cook, if you don't want to cook right literally over the flames and, you know, get your stuff too burnt, this is a way to kind of organize your cooking a little bit more efficiently. Super thin, compact. That's your first item. All right, your second item is this, which is your camp cooking book. It says a practical handbook. The standard value for this is $12.95. So some information here on the back. Fred Bowman is an experienced outdoorsman, an accomplished outdoor writer and photographer, and a former professional chef. That's cool. So kind of a rundown of, yeah, so I can tell already that there's going to be some recipes in here, but also some general kind of information here. So let's go back to the beginning real quick. So meats, shore lunch, foraging and gathering. Talks about some wild edibles down there. A hearth away from home, stove versus open fire controversy. That's interesting in light of the grill we saw. Utensils, carrying it, fireside bakery, outdoor ovens. So yeah, all kinds of information. Stuff about wood for your campfire. There you go, Dutch ovens. Yeah, so it looks interesting. I mean, if this was like they're charging $70 for this, I'd be like, that's crazy. But $12.95, it's a decent deal. US, this is running $15 if you buy it at your average US store. So they're saving you basically $2 right there. And yeah, so that's your next item. Here's the next one. This is grenade soap. I guess napalm is like the scent. This is, oh, that's funny. So that's actually a bar of soap. Smells pretty good actually. So yeah, let's see what's the value for this one. Should be a couple bucks, maybe $9. I'd say that's a little bit high for a bar of soap, but it is what it is. So that's a little bit high for me, but it's not like they're charging you $50. So that's your third item. And then the fourth one is this, which is a 511 hat. It's kind of a cool hat. So established 03, 511 tactical trucker's hat style, 511 logo in the back. And they're saying the value for this one is $19. I would say that's still a little bit high too, but all right. So that's your, that's everything at your basic level. Okay, next up, moving to the advanced level. First thing is this camping chair. I've seen these before, but they're like a 3-legged stool there. You slide this up, it's got a lock in, and then, yeah, it's a 3-legged stool. Cool thing about this is that it does have the little strap built in, and it's got some pretty heavy, they're not D-rings, they're like kind of square oval rings, rectangular rings. But anyhow, they're, looks like they're nicely attached, which if you get something that's cheap plastic, it can break easy. So value for this one is $23.95. I saw these at Walmart the other day for a little bit less than that, but this one does look like it's actually pretty nicely made as far as the material too. I'm about to head out on an outing in 2 days, so I'm probably gonna throw this in my car and I'll test it out and see how it works out. Okay, this next item is a repair item, and this is actually interesting because Forge is, I think this was originally called Bear, this stuff, but it's repair tape, and it's like super strong, and they sent me some, and I was gonna do a review on it, and then I contacted them and no one ever got back to me. So Forge, if you're hearing this, thanks for sending that. But yeah, I'll have to look it up online and see if maybe they changed the name and it's still in here. But yeah, maybe you can pause the video and scan that QR code right there. But they use this stuff to, like, I mean, you know, doubled over, tripled over, whatever, a bunch of times. They were like towing cars with it and stuff. So very strong repair material. And I mean, I saw the videos and I was so impressed that I wanted to review it. So I think the way, you basically put it on whatever you want to, and then you heat it and then it shrinks down and it's just super, super durable. So outdoor sports, agriculture, equine, marine, home improvements, first aid, restoration, hangers for pipes, bolts, rivets. Yeah, this is definitely cool. The value for this is $20. That might sound like a little bit much, but this is a good product. I've seen this before, so definitely recommend that. All right, here's your item at the pro level. Value for this is $84.99, so $85. Basically what you have here is like a spring system. You set up the angle you want, and then as you push the blade into it, these two arms kind of spread apart and then come back together, so you're just kind of pulling your knife through. But because of these springs down here, it's going to give you a nice angle. And I actually saw somebody do a video of this, and it worked quite well. Down here you can see from wikieasyvid.com, this is the world's best manual sharpener for 2017 and 2018. So it's always good to have, a good sharpener for your blade. It is not something you're going to take out into the woods, but as far as a home sharpener, I'll be excited to check this one out. All right, last up we have this, which is a Mikkel Williamson design. This is the Despot knife in black titanium powder coated finish, G10 scales, Aussate steel. They're saying the value for this is $124.95. So let me take this one out of the box. So here's a look at the knife. Again, Aussate steel, you got like kind of a forest green handle. You can see Aussate there on the top. That's what the other side looks like. Here's a look at your sheath system. So slide this in like so, and then you got your snaps over here like that. And like this, let's see. So I do like his logo. I think that's kind of cool. This is not Kydex. It's a pretty rugged looking, high density polymer plastic. Seems like the retention as far as the snap in is good. This ballistic nylon is definitely not super thick. So as far as the value for $124.95, I mean, that's like a market question, right? So if you sell this for $175 and no one buys it, then if you put it down to $125 and people buy it, apparently that's the value. Would I personally spend $125 for this? I would not. So based on styles of knife and what I like, this is I like a tactical knife, but this is not up my line. I'll be giving this one away. I can tell you that already. So I'll be doing that probably over on the Everyday Tactical Vids Facebook page. That's just where I do most of my giveaways. So head over to Facebook and hit up Everyday Tactical Vids, and you'll see a giveaway for this one. I would say value for the box overall. I do like the sharpener. I do like a bunch of the items. There's just nothing that I'm like wowed by. So I would say the value for this box is like, it's good. It's fine. It's good. It's not bad, but there's definitely been boxes with products that I've liked more. So yeah, I mean, my job is to let you know what's in the box. As you know from my unboxing videos, I don't review every single item. I just don't have time to do that. But you guys have got a chance to see what's in this month's box, and yeah, it's good. It's fine. Nothing I would write home about, but some decent products. Let's hear what you guys have to think about. What do you guys think about this knife and the other products in this box, particularly value to cost. Let's get that conversation started in the comment section below. All right, guys, thanks as always for checking out the videos here on YouTube. Please subscribe to Everyday Tactical Vids if you haven't done so already. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, check us out on Instagram, Tumblr, and Vero as well. More videos coming soon. Take care.